from Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Friday, September 27th, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra. And you're watching Python TV. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hello, Pythons. Welcome back to Python TV. Hello? Welcome to Fun Friday. How may I help you? Oh, you want to speak to Rocco? Hold on.
Hey, yo, you got pizza on the other side of the phone? Oh, you want to speak to Lucas?
Oh, you just want the daily announcements. Well, you heard the man. Here are the daily announcements. Yeah, and that's what he said. Anyway, that's my recap on my trip to Bora Bora. I gotta end the announcements now. Bye! Sorry, Pythons. That's it for today. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back on Monday with more news and updates. Have a great day.
Go Pythons!